Evening, YouTube and Facebook people. How are we doing? Hope you've had a good Wednesday. It's not today's a bit of a weird one. Like, what day are we on isolation wise? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, day 5. So it's just getting a bit same, boring. Can't go out. Like, literally just the garden. That is it. We had to move the cars earlier. That's about as far as I've ventured so far. Just because I don't know how often it is. I think every month, every 2 months, something like that. Someone comes and sprays our driveway to get rid of any moss and algae or whatever, so it doesn't build up. So we had to move the cars for that. That is literally as far out the house as we've been. So, bit rubbish, to be honest. But hey ho, is what it is. Topics that are covering as we've kind of done for the last 34 days. Diabetes challenge, learn to code, live streaming, and try and lose some weight really, and just kind of a different food diet wise, and obviously with the walking and stuff like that, trying to kind of kill two birds with one stone really. Not that I'm not a fan of killing birds. It's just a saying. All right, so don't start reporting me to the RSPB or something. What people are like. Anyway. So Diabetes UK, I'm well off my my target now at the minute. So I'm gonna have to do a bit of catching up when I'm allowed out to play, which is fine. I'm sure I will. I'm sure it's not going to be a problem. So yesterday I did. That's the wrong one. You want that screen there? Look. Yesterday I did 11,769 steps around my garden. It was all around the garden actually yesterday. I don't think I did any skipping yesterday because my calves were still like on fire when I skipped. So I like tried maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes or something, and was just like, yeah, no, it's not good. So today I have done skipping, I've done a bit of walking. We actually played badminton at lunchtime, me and Vicky, and then Vicky and Scott. And then for the rest of my lunch, to be fair actually, I've not done as many today. I've done only a couple of hundred less than what I did yesterday, but we've got like a lean-to out the back of our house, and whilst we were playing badminton, I was looking up and going, ugh, like the roof was like green, just with like algae and stuff, and it was just, yeah, it's awful. So I got a big scrubbing brush thing out that we've got, and gave it a clean with the hose pipe and a big brush. So now the little lean-to roof is looking good. And we're gonna have a look at the team because I haven't looked at the team for a while to see how the team are doing. So let's see quickly how the team are getting on. So we've got so far raised £405. We still need this major target updating, to be fair, but that'll happen, I'm sure. Top steppers at the minute is still me, but Alex is like hot on my heels, 652. He's literally going to be, let's have a look into Alex and see how many steps Alex is doing on a regular. So yeah, see, look, 16,000, 21,000 yesterday. He's already put today's already in 25,450. So Alex is definitely between now and me coming out of isolation, which is, I think I'm allowed out to play Tuesday next week. He's going to overtake me. So fair play, Alex. Good stuff, mate. I hope you're on the 1.7 million now, because you're going to smash it, to be honest. So yeah. But anyway, Vicky's next actually, 404,000. So yeah, well done. Does that mean that you're on for? So if I do quick maths, 404,294. divided by, we're on day 35, but you haven't put today's in, so day 34, so 34. So you're averaging 11,891 at the minute. So you're on target because you only need to average 11,000. So you're doing good. So well done, Vicky. Yay! There should be some sort of applause. Yeah, well done. Anyway. Journeying to become a coder. Oh dear. Not really much of an update on this one today, unfortunately. I haven't partaken in any trainings or followed any tutorials. So today I have failed in my goal of becoming a coder today. But anyway, right, next. Shortly, quickly moving on. Creative Waste Taekwondo Club update. There's not, I haven't got a massive update today. I've had, I went through my phone, and during the lockdown, quite a few people at the time where we were reopening, so probably October 2020, something like that, when we were allowed to reopen for, I think we opened for about 3 or 4 weeks, and then closed back down again, locked back down. So during that time, I had a few inquiries, and I just went through some. I just, for whatever reason, just remembered and contacted those people again that inquired back then, and 2 of them out of I think 4 booked on straight away for trial sessions, which is epic. And then I received an email from someone who was inspired by the Olympics to start Taekwondo for their daughter and for the dad as well. So they're going to start. They're coming along next Tuesday for a trial. So I think that's the first ones I've had from kind of being inspired from the Olympics anyway, which is obviously a good thing. I'm sure probably a lot of other clubs across the UK probably get a lot of that, I would have thought, but yeah, and I just don't, there's like zero advertising on the club website, or well, obviously the club website is the club website, right, but I don't do any actual advertising at the minute. I haven't done any since we've been back, so I could do with doing some really, because then obviously we get more inquiries, more people would do trials and would be able to help more people. So that's the objective really, isn't it? So it's no good doing an amazing thing for a small amount of people. Might as well help as many as we possibly can. So that's that. Yeah, not much of a club update other than that. That's it. So moving on to the daily weight update, which is not going as well as I thought, but then again, lockdown, not as many steps in, so it's a bit harder. It's just one of them things. So yesterday was 81.9, which is, what's the lowest so far? 81.75. Oh no, 81.45 is the lowest so far. Nope, 81.15. Okay, I need to add that in as like a running lowest or something, because that could have been in the previous 15 days as well or whatever. But anyway, let's do the weight and get it done. Right, let's go on here. Oh, I don't think it's seeing my phone. Let's try that again. Close. Try that again. Fingers crossed. Maybe it's just not in here. Include. Nope, it's just not seeing it at all. That's interesting. Come on, Christopher. Yeah, it's not seeing it at all. What can I do? What can I do? Right, let's see if this works. Going old fashioned. Plug it in. Not sure how far it's going to reach, that's the only problem, but give it a go. Camera. It won't make me select it. Handy. Okay, so you're not going to see the number, but I'm going to have to tell you because it won't let me do it. So it just is one of them things. It's not even showing up. Should have tested it first, shouldn't I? Right, anyway, right, wait. I'm going to do it now. Turn it on and off again. Turn what on and off again? I can't turn my computer on and off again because I'm live now, Victoria. It doesn't work like that. That will it'll die. I've turned off the NDI source. Oh, I know why. Helps if you turn your Wi-Fi on, Chris, because otherwise it can't see your camera. So let's try that now. Start. And then in about, I don't know, 3 seconds maybe, then I'll be able to switch. Oh, genius. Nope. Get rid of these massively heavy sliders. $81.7. So 81.7. So that's consistent now. I was 81.9 yesterday. So 81.7, 81.70. I've got a kg in there, and then that's a down arrow. Does that work? No. Let's just copy and paste the one above it, Chris. Okay, cool. That's not too bad. 81.7. Done. Excellent. Cool, that's me done for the day then. If anyone's got any ideas of things that I could do to get my steps up or get some more steps in, please let me know. And mental note for tomorrow, check that your phone is on your Wi-Fi, Chris, so that you can access the camera, because otherwise it doesn't work. Always good to learn these things whilst you're live, isn't it? Handy. Anyway, right, cool. Not really matters. So hence why I'm kind of doing it, really. Experience, practice, all that sort of stuff. So yeah, ideal. Anyway, well, not ideal. Either way you look at it. I am going to go to bed. Have a great rest of your Wednesday evening. Let me know in the comments what you're watching on Netflix or Amazon Prime or Disney Plus or Apple TV, if you so have it. And I will see you and speak to you tomorrow. See ya. Bye. I would see you. Well, I'll speak to you. Anyway, I'll be on the video anyway if you watch it. Anyway, see ya. Bye.